Welcome to my army TaiChi school. This is the old Chinese army form. We're going to go from the top here. Watch my previous videos so you'll see here. Done this before. You want to stand with your heels together, toes pointing out 30 to 45 degrees here. And want to sink down and relax. Then you slowly peel your left heel off the ground here. And then kind of corkscrew your way to the left. Take a step to the left. Then you adjust your right foot and your left foot. And when you're done adjusting, you sink down, inhale and raise your arms. Lean slightly forward here. And then lower your arms on the exhalation. Relax, and you sink your way to the left leg. Turn on your right here. And then you grab an enormous ball here. Balls to the wall. And then you throw a frisbee. Step to the left and throw a frisbee. Leg movement first. Step left, throw frisbee with left. Guard yourself. And the right hand pat the kid on the head, so to speak. You extend here a little bit. And then you cup your elbow with the left hand. Take a small step to the right here. You grab a smaller ball here. Squeeze the ball and extend forward and up. Then you inhale, sink back, sit back on your left leg and turn your body, rotate, and the arms go backwards and inward here, not down like you see some people, but backward and inward. Then you rotate your left hand. This is the roll back. You rotate and then press forward while moving your body. Move body first, then hands. Left palm touches the base of your thumb on your right arm. Then you press forward. Then you sit back. Make a swimming motion with the arms. Sit back. Weight is on my back leg. Then you shift your weight forward and push slightly upwards. So that's the beginning of the TaiChi short form. This is the third lesson, which is a recap here. Watch my other videos and share and subscribe. See you later. Bye bye.